Shalom, shalom, shalom. Good morning, beautiful people. This is Chevelle, and I'm coming to you today to let you know that these seedlings has grown so fast. So what I'm gonna do today is take them out to get some sun, so they can start getting acclimated outside because they are growing very big, and I already have a place to put them outside. So I think I'm gonna do that today. And so with my broccoli, I planted on 8/21. The seeds did finally come up because I had them out here in my greenhouse. And so I have a few seeds that came up. And what I'm going to do is once I get the starts in my grow room and plant them outside, I'm going to put these in the grow room so they can get a little larger. And I also have my little greens here. I I put a couple of I transplanted these into a little larger pot for my little Georgia collard. So and they're outside. And then I also have my Troy cabbage here that came up. So yeah, so I got to get those other ones inside out here in their forever home until I can eat them. So I can put these in my grow room once I pot them up. So now that I have them out here getting acclimated, they're so like really gotten big. This one is so big, it's just like um, leaning over. So yeah, I really got to get them in their forever home so I can put my other ones under the grow light. Um, once I up pot these and they get big enough, the double cup method really makes them grow because I don't even have to just keep watering them. I just have water at the bottom of this cup and slices whole. You see that root there that's coming out? So the roots come out when you have that water in them. And you don't have to keep watering. You just put water at the bottom and you put a little fertilizer in them. I used the fish emulsion and I put that at the bottom of it and they just grow. So yeah, I got to get these inside of out here to get acclimated to the weather. I've been putting a fan on them, and I think that's when these start leaning over when I had the fan on. Maybe I had the fan on too high this time. But yeah, so once I put them in their forever home, they'll be okay. And I'm going to get the other ones potted up. And I also planted some papaya seeds and about a month ago. And I love to experiment like that just to see whatever can grow. And they're coming up really well. And I'm going to change them in bigger pots and put them in my grow room as well. I have a grow section just for larger plants. And with the grow light that's on the tripod, it just shines down on them and make them grow. So I got it over here in my jungle of plants that I normally have in the house. So I have a big selection of plants. I just love anything that grows. And so yeah, see my big, let me go around the other side of the fence. Yeah, so this is one of my favorite flowers. And the pink, I don't know the name of this plant, but I'm going to look it up. But I just bought it from the store maybe about 2 years ago, and they come back. I put it in my house during the winter months, and they come back, and it grows so pretty. And yeah, I just thought to share that with you guys today. And I hope you guys are having a great day today. This is Tuesday, so yeah. Just want to share that with you guys. So I hope you have a great Tuesday. Enjoy your day. Shalom and happy gardening.